mean. Now, today in this section, we learn about the trigonometric angles to values. Trigonometric angles and values. Now, in this section, 30 degrees and 60 degrees. In this section, we will discuss about the trigonometric 30 degrees values and 60 degrees values. Take equilateral triangle ABC, that is A, B, C. We know that in equilateral triangle, every angle will be 60 degrees. Now, next draw AD is perpendicular to BC, that is AD is perpendicular to BC. Then here 90 degrees will be formed. When we will draw perpendicular line, this will be bisect. That is here 30 degrees, here also 30 degrees. Let AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to A units you consider. When will you draw the perpendicular, then automatically this BC will be bisected. Actually, BC length will be A units. At the same way, AB also A units, AC also A units. When will you draw the perpendicular line, then BC will be bisect. That meaning this will be here into. Now, from triangle ABD, you consider sine 60. Triangle ABD, you find out AD length. How to find out? AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. Now, AB length will be A units, that is A square equal to AD square plus BD means A by 2. A by 2 whole square. Now you want AD square. AD square equal to A square, this value transfer to other side, that meaning A square by 4, that equal to AD square equal to 4A square minus A square, 3A square by 4. Now you want AD. AD means height. AD equal to, how to write that means root 3 into A by 2 units. Now, trigonometric ratios everybody knows. 6. What are they? Sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. For example, now I want sine 60. Sine 60 equal to, what is the sine property? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side means AD length. Root 3 by 2 by A. Sine 60 equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That means AD by AB. Root 3 by 2A by AB length will be A. A cancel. That equal to root 3 by 2. Now, cos 60. What is the property of cos 60? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. In ABD triangle, what is the adjacent? BD. BD means A by 2 by hypotenuse A, that equal to A by 2A. A cancel 1 by 2. Similarly, tan 60, opposite side sin 60 by cos 60, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, root 3. Cosecant 60, how to will write? Reciprocal of the sin 60, 2 by root 3. Now, secant 60, reciprocal of the cos 60, that means 2. Cot 60, reciprocal of the tan 60, that is 1 by root 3. It is the values of the 60 degrees. Now, come to the 30 degrees. How to find out the values of 30 degrees? Values of 30 degrees in triangle ABD, same model, 60 you have considered. Now I am going with the 30 degrees. In triangle ABD sin 30, in triangle ABD triangle sin 30, same principle, opposite side by hypotenuse, A by 2 by A, that equal to A by 2A, A cancel 1 by 2. Now, cos 30, what is the cos 30? Now it is the adjacent side, AD by AB, AD means already here value root 3 by 2A, that means root 3 by 2A by A, cancel, that equal to root 3 by 2. Similarly, tan 30, sin 30 by cos 30, otherwise come to the diagonal also, tan 30, opposite side by adjacent side, A by 2 by root 3 by 2A, that equal to 2 cancel, A cancel, 1 by root 3. Cosecant 30, reciprocal of the sin 30, that means 2. Secant 30, that equal to reciprocal of the cos 30, 2 by root 3. Tan 30, cot 30 equal to reciprocal of the tan 30, that equal to root 3. These are the values of the 30 degrees and 60 degrees. If you like this video, share it and subscribe it, and also like it. Thank you.